Here's a video of our 40,000 pound Ransome welding positioner, machine 5917. Currently wired 480 volts. We'll go ahead and run it. We'll tilt the table down. We have a pendant control right here. Now we'll go ahead and rotate the table. It is a variable speed.
That's as fast as it goes.
That is max speed right there. You can slow it right down till it stops. Now we show it go the other way. And now we'll raise it back up. The limit switches do work. Once it reaches top, it stops on its own. And that's a video of our 40,000 pound Ransome welding positioner, machine 5917.